How can you make sure that you're actually providing the right amount of challenge to pupils? Well, one of the ways that you can do this is to use worked examples. And we know from cognitive science research that using worked examples is a highly effective method for deepening learning and for managing pupils' cognitive load. And there was an amazing article on the EEF's website by their specialist science content provider, Bob Pritchard, where he looked at the FAME approach, that is F-A-M-E. So what F stands for is fading. So you provide a worked example, but gradually as pupils' independence and their expertise grows, you can gradually fade those worked examples as time goes on, as their expertise grows. A is for alternating. So you can give a worked example and then ask pupils to solve a similar problem. Then give another worked example and another similar problem. So alternating between worked examples and similar problems. M is for mistakes. So in the worked example, you can include a couple of mistakes that pupils have to pick out and identify and tell you why there are mistakes. And the last letter, E, is for explanation. Getting pupils to explain how a worked example is set out, why it works, getting their explanations clear helps them to embed their learning more fully. So give it a go, try the FAME approach. If you'd like to know more about what we do at Impact Wales, follow us on social media at Impact Wales or go to our website, impact.wales.